Google at a reversal point right now with MMTs, right up here at this diamond peak, and a diamond support in the system right here, within a very short breakout time. However, it is Happy New Year's to everyone, and many more to come. So we're consolidating the highs. However, it's identifying price action that turns into weakness. Now, MMT could tell me what would like to volunteer and tell me what the three diamond reversal means to these diamond highs right here. Go ahead.
Another 3 teenies up.
Okay. So the support
So
levels.
what I'm trying to tell you that I'm not convinced yet that Google made it high.
Right. Meaning that we can go higher in the delta, right?
That is correct.
And every time you get these diamond reversals, it comes back and then races and makes another attempt and higher highs all day long.
And we walk in script right now, okay? And we didn't even get to the half of the script, okay?
Okay.
If you want to know the script, what it's walking, give me 1 second. I'll let you know.
Here it is. Oh, well, we're live right now. So here's your diamonds you're talking about. Up at the high of your move. See, your move started down here at this line. So your entries are here, then they go up 1, 2, 3, then 4. And that's, in our system, that's a 4 teeny run, because it did it. It got past 3. So it went up to 4, and now you're currently having that reversal that you were clearly talking about, and you're not having any big sell-throughs, are you?
Here is 646.79.
Yes.
That's the upper
right
bracket to the 645.95.
Okay.
That is where we are right now, and as you can see, we has not reached the lower bracket.
Right. This one.
645. What I just said.
Oh, down here.
Yes, 645.95.
Oh, okay. That's right. Over in here. I see.
And this is where the current moves of the bid and ask.
Right. That's
okay, and it's to the penny. It's 646. What did I say? 646.92 is the top. We didn't make it quite high.
We got it to what we got to 0.76 cents. 646.76. So we were just a half a teeny shy, it looks like.
I'm sorry, 646.79. So
well, that's 3 pennies.
So 79 is the top pennies, and 645.95 is the low bracket of that.
All right.
And we are exactly where it says we are.
Right.
We go back to that 79, but we don't reach the maybe now 645.9. No, it's the 645.95. It's at the bottom of that green bar.
Oh, it's going that way. They're bidding selling 20 cents, right?
Right.
And what does the diamond reversals mean when they close below the half bars? Does that mean it could get weaker?
It could if you will have another bar like that, and it will break through that support area.
Right, and that's
otherwise just going to walk through, that 2 teenies up and down.
And that's exactly right. It's been doing that all day. And you had your pullback, you had your run, but guess what? We never closed above that original diamond high that started over here, did we? No, we did not. We came down, we tested it, but as I said over here, you had to close above it. And that was that earlier live video that we were doing when we were making that high. Remember? We made it and then we came down, but look at this is a failure of it. This is the reversal of it. And here you are, as MMT is clearly stating that you're finding levels of price support. However, it's a New Year's, and we wish everyone a happy New Year in doing business this way. We we think that it's the best thing to do is identifying what weakness is in a movement, whatever a top reversal is. You did not close above that diamond. So now what will have to happen is that this area down here is going to be your real area of support because this is where you came off the low, and this area here would be that major area of support. So you would cover your shorts if you were to break below this area. To get here, you got to break that low. You hear me?
To be important is if it's going to break it or not. Okay.
Okay.
Again, see its higher lows. It reverses, but it didn't really fall to that 645.95 area.
Right. It did not.
Okay. No, it didn't. So if it's going to attempt again to break that high,
Yes.
that's very important if it's going to do it or not.
Okay. And it will be very clear in here that how a top market reversal within a certain range will trade all day long going into the closing year of 2011, correct?
That is correct. I mean, let me just take a look how long it was consolidating before in that 2-1 teeny range. So
Okay,
it's
here.
21
I will go back over there for you. I
and
hope I did.
42. It's about 25 minutes it was
Well, here,
consolidating.
look. Right here, you mean? Or which
Yeah,
level?
yeah, that's it.
Okay.
See that first it, two teenies went up, almost two teenies, then it went up, one teeny down, one teeny up, one teeny down, one teeny up, one teeny down, and then it break. 645 put.
Here's your consolidation. Look. And now there's your reversal. And your put options held that lower price. So far, you got 360 by $4, okay? And that's a 650 put right here. They expire today. So they were high at 8 and 730, and you're definitely wholesale with that current reversal. Yes, MMT on a Friday options expiration 2011 is closing upon us. And yes, it will close on a Friday expiration right here. And this is how they marked that side of the market down. So moving forward in 2012, we'll be looking for the imbalances in markets on longer term views, on risk management sides, earnings, all kinds of wonderful things. Would it be safe to say that when you broke out, which was right here, this is what it looks like, and now you're at this top, but once again, you're right back at that level where you said you haven't got below your level yet in price. MMT, see it? There's the bid, 646.20, and they're printing, well, you can see where they're printing 24 cents. Okay? And you can see that the diamonds are lower. You can see that top did not close above it. You can see here that that pricing level that was identified is going to come into play. So here we are. We're going to be coming down to a price level that you had mentioned. And which one was that?
That was 645.95.
Okay, 645.95. And here we are in that bid NAS, 646.09s, and 8s are printing. So we're not below it, right?
That's correct.
Okay. And that the put side of the market also has got a 380 by 420 bid and ask stroke between the buyer and the seller over here at that 650 put based on a top reversal failure. This is the intraday. And here you are. Once we come to these levels, we need to see an immediate reversal. And if we don't, then we would have to buy the put option, wouldn't we?
That's correct.
And it's here, and it's now, and it's live. So it's based on a directional movement that has balance. Is this true?
It is.
And you pick the numbers with the system, and they're remarkably coming right to your numbers, aren't they?
They are.
And you can clearly see the last print is 646. It's here. Right there.
Well,
Exactly
it
where that
does look
pointer.
like a reversal.
Right. But earlier, as you were telling us how it would reverse, and you were saying that this diamond, these three diamonds right here, and getting below it, that this is where you knew that it was in trouble up here. And then you knew what that lower level was going to be at, what was your price again?
645.95. We are
Right.
5 pennies away from it.
Yes, you are. And this is going to be that major area of support that it refused to break as it challenged that first intraday high over here, and then is now pulling back, correct? To it.
It seems, well, depends who is going to win, the sellers or the buyers.
Exactly. Right now they're printing below the market, right?
Okay, and it hits that support area. So let's see where it goes from here.
Ooh. Yes.
Bounce back is very important because it will be the third. If it will get to that high diamond area, it will be, no, not this one. Go higher.
Oh, this one.
Yep.
Yeah.
That if it's not going to break it, then most likely Google is done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Because it will be third attempt. It's premature of me to say it because I also have to see the other things that are going, but it's definitely trying right now to get another run up to that area. Now it has 2 diamond areas on its way in order for that to break it. So it's one teeny line and you see there is a cluster of diamonds. And then if it breaks this one, it needs to go to the next one.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay. And, it's a very low volume. So we'll see how it will go.
Wow. It's so accurate. I can't get over the fact that
this picture is different from the earlier time as we were talking because there was higher lows. Here there are no higher lows. It's exactly bounced back from the support and going to attempt, to run to that resistance area.
Mm-hmm.
So that is a